How to fully delete Discord from PC. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can fully delete Discord from PC, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to fully delete the Discord application from PC, there are many ways to do it, but the easier way I would always recommend you is you open up your search bar and go to control panels. Once you go to control panel, under this programs you will see uninstall a program. So you can simply go to uninstall a program option here, and as you've done that you'll see different sorts of applications including Discord. Now if you don't find Discord over here, if you found it, you can click on it and click on uninstall. But if you don't find it, then on the apps list also you'll basically have Discord over here, right? So just go ahead and search for Discord, right click on Discord application, then just click on uninstall. So when you right click and then click on uninstall, the Discord app will get successfully uninstalled. So you can fully uninstall Discord on PC. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.